Hello and welcome to this video. On this video, we're going to be doing a review and just kind of a first impressions of this Magnasonic MGUC 500 ultrasonic cleaner. It's a small one. It's just made for things like rings and glasses. As you'll see, it just has a lid that pivots open. There's a basket that goes inside. You don't have to use the basket, and there's also a fill line indicator inside. So what you are supposed to do is fill it to the full line with some water. I would probably use some purified drinking water. And then you put your basket in if you need to and your items, and then you close it and ultrasonically clean them. When you first turn it on, it's going to come up with a pre-selected time that it recommends, and you want to start with that. However, I just want to say that if you fill it to the full line and then put stuff in there, it's going to overfill it. So you probably want to fill it a little less than full. Then if you're going to use the basket, put it in and put your items in, close it up, and then we'll come back and show you how we'll actually clean something. All right, so we've got the cleaner pre-set up. We've put some purified water. This is demineralized water, but it's not distilled. We put a couple of drops of dishwashing detergent in, just regular soap that you use to wash dishes. We're going to put a pair of glasses in, and we've actually set it to its longest setting so that we can go ahead and see if it cleans all the crud that builds up around the edges of the lenses and the nose pieces. So having said that, we're going to start it, and we'll come back when it's done and see how it looks. It's been 8 minutes, and so now it's ready to check out how it came out inside. So we're going to open the lid and inspect the pair of glasses. We have a paper towel handy. It looks like they came out superlatively clean. No more gunk or grease on them. So that's a good thing. So there'll be a link in the description to how to buy this on Amazon if you're interested. And what we will do is let you know in the comment section how well it's worked out and some of the other things we've tried it on. Anyway, that's all there is for this video this week. Thank you for watching.